What is generative AI? Artificial intelligence is a form of technology inspired by how the human brain works. AI tools often use a method called neural networks, which are computer models inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks help computers learn patterns from data and make decisions, enabling tasks like image recognition, language processing, and more. Generative AI, often referred to as GenAI, is a subset of artificial intelligence, in which tools are designed to produce novel human-like text, images, or code in response to user inputs or prompts. These tools are trained on extensive datasets drawn from various internet sources, including books, websites, and forums. These systems are highly flexible and can provide overviews, summaries, and responses to open-ended questions. GenAI encompasses a wide range of tools, including text generators like ChatGPT, image generators like DALL-E, sound and music generators like Soundful, video generators like Google's VO3, and research tools like Scopus AI. The most common of these tools are text generators, which is an example of a large language model, a type of GenAI that can process, summarize, and find patterns in text and respond to user prompts in a conversational, human-like way. For example, a tool may be trained on large volumes of weather data. When a user submits the prompt, "Compare typical weather in Fredericton, New Brunswick and Halifax, Nova Scotia in November," the GenAI tool then uses what it has learned from the patterns in the data it has been trained on to produce a response. As a student, you've likely already encountered GenAI. It can be a powerful tool for brainstorming ideas, debugging code, explaining complex topics in simpler terms, or even creating unique images for a presentation. However, it is also crucial to be aware of its limitations, such as producing plausible but non-existent citations and information, sometimes called hallucinations, and the ethical considerations around bias, academic integrity, and the environmental impact, just to name a few. GenAI is also rarely verifiable, as the tools do not consistently cite sources. While GenAI can produce new content based on the data it's been trained on, it cannot generate new ideas or solutions to real-world problems without intervention from humans. Artificial intelligence tools are currently changing and evolving at a rapid pace and should be used with caution. Always verify your instructor's AI policy before using one of these tools for academic purposes.